Ma'am, first of all, I want to congratulate and say you're looking so fab.
Thank you so much.
So first, let me find out what attracts you about this brand and what kind of a lover you are for the watches.
To be very honest, I'm not. I have recently developed the love for watches. I've not always been a lover, but I think a watch actually gives you an outlook of your personality, the kind of watches that you wear. And so people who love watches are really particular about what they're wearing and what the style and the design. And I think Longines for me is one of those brands which for years has been known to be associated with elegant women or known for its classy designs and yeah, that's what it's for
Talk
me.
about today brand, today watch.
Today, this watch, this is the new collection. This is an automatic watch, and it's really elegant. I mean, take a look.
What are
It's
the
nice.
USP you look for when you buy a watch?
Well, like I said, I've recently developed my love for watches. So for me, it's only about the look. I'm still not that well versed, but now I'm learning. Now, so for me, it has to be something that goes with multiple outfits, something which is minimalistic, because I think that speaks volumes, rather than the watch being loud. And even Longines designs are minimalistic and classy. So for me, that's very important.
So what time means for you?
Time means everything for me. I'm sure everybody knows that by now. I think I have an OCD of time. All my friends and families, they really think that I'm a walking, talking clock. So I don't need a watch generally in life because I'll be tick-tocking in my head. But I think time's really important, and if one values time and puts it to the right use, there's multiple things that you can do. There's only that much time that you have in a day, and how to maximize is something I think best usage of time.
Reach on time, or somebody have like to come on time and doesn't reach on time to you. How will you react on that?
I lose my cool. That's the only time I lose my cool. And andarki telsu, like people know that in case inform otherwise so that I can plan. But time delay or not valuing time is something I can't handle. And people who know me know that by now. Even my friends know that. Like I have a problem that even if I have to go to a party and it's 9 o'clock, I will be there by 9:30 thinking that I'm the born, I'm half an hour late, but I'll still be first. So everybody who knows me knows that I'm very punctual.
And last question, this is the importance of the vote. Importance of
Well, I don't think I need to reiterate the importance of vote. We are the people who make our country, and it's very easy to play the blame game later when things don't happen according to you. But I think this is the time that you need to make your vote count and give in your best so that tomorrow we don't play the blame game. Make your government.